Shenzhen U-Angel Technology Company Limited is an expert manufacturer in private and unique design of consumer electronics over 10 years. Our main products are power bank, charger, microphone, and other electronics. We have 10 employers, are senior engineers of product design, development, and mold design, QA and security controls. We have kinds of equipment like aging machine, spot welder, flash copy ports machine, and other quality check machines. Our private and unique design products have CE RoHS certification. Also, we are the member of WPC, and all the products are under the control of ISO 9001 system. We do quality products as our five-fold quality check. The first is incoming materials quality check. The second is quality check in producing. The third is assembly quality check. The fourth is quality check in packing. Final is all quality check before shipping. So, we are so confident to our product's quality. We do professional OEM and ODM for some famous brands in the world. Usually, we do silkscreen printing, color printing, laser printing, and other special printing way can be supported also. Most of our clients are from North America and Europe. We also hope and welcome friends from all over the world. Come to visit. As our 10 years experience in producing and client service, you can trust us. Check the produce program. Start our cooperation.